While we were out feeding the street cats today, we came across a tiny newborn kitten. It was abandoned in the middle of a busy road. We were deeply concerned, knowing how easily such a small kitten could be hit by a car. Its life was in great danger. We carefully picked it up to keep it safe. A kitten so small needs the warmth and care that only a mother can provide. That's why we were determined to do whatever we could to reunite the kitten with its mother. We visit this place daily for street feeding. There are many cats here that we feed. We had formula milk with us. We immediately prepared formula milk for the kitten and fed it. We immediately prepared formula milk for the kitten and fed it. We took the kitten home with us. The next day, we received a call, and a man told us that a cat had been found that had given birth recently. The size of these babies is also the same as this kitten. We immediately reached the place. The cat was very aggressive and had kittens with her. The cat did not want us to come near her or touch her babies. After asking a few more people, we confirmed that this cat is the kitten's mother. A man told us that a cat had given birth in this place. Recently, a big dog had been wandering around, scaring the cat and chasing her away from her kittens. In her panic, the cat began moving her kittens to a safer spot. But in her haste, she accidentally dropped one of them along the way. The constant threat of the DOA left the cat anxious and defensive. The stress of trying to protect her newborns has made her increasingly aggressive. Now that she's back, her increased aggression is likely because she's trying to protect her kittens from any threats. When we reached out to hold the cat, she was clawing at us. We attempted to soothe the cat, reassuring her that we meant no harm. We offered her jelly food to help calm her down. As she clawed at us, we placed the jelly food on a leaf and offered it from a distance. This way, we kept ourselves safe while trying to calm her. Gradually, she started to trust us, allowing us to touch her kittens without any objections. We went a bit further and saw some kids using a wiper to push a lifeless kitten on the road. We were upset by how they were handling the kitten. The kids said a car had hit it. We checked and saw the kitten was actually alive and breathing. So one of our team members quickly took it to the vet. The children told us that there are more such kittens here. We asked them to take us to the place where they had seen the kittens. The kids took us to this place. There, we saw the kitten crawling into a hole. Getting it out was difficult. But we remained patient. We devised a plan to solve the problem. We offered the kitten some jelly food. While it was busy eating, we carefully pulled it out of the hole. Our strategy worked effectively. The children further told us that there is another such kitten. They said that the kitten entered the house because they were running after it. We knocked on the door of this house and requested them to hand over the kitten to us. We explained to the children that animals should always be treated with care and never be mistreated. Understanding our message, they joined us in feeding jelly food to the kittens. It was a positive moment where everyone worked together to help. It was a positive moment where everyone worked together to help. The vet examined each one carefully. He ensured that they were okay and didn't have any other issues. The unconscious kitten was receiving treatment from the vet. He reassured us that, fortunately, it had no serious injuries. The vet was optimistic that the kitten would recover quickly with proper care. This news brought us relief, knowing that the kitten's condition was manageable and it would soon be on the road to recovery. This is the scene of the time when we took the cat to home. It became angry again as soon as it reached back here. Maybe it does not have any experience of the indoor life. Or it does not have a good experience with the indoor life. It was feeling itself in danger at this place. We wanted it to feed its kittens, but it was not feeding them. It was looking very scared in the house. We had hopes that it would become normal after some time. After some time, the Jasmine cat happened to come here. The Jasmine cat was looking in a lot of anger. The Jasmine cat did not like these kittens coming here. The Jasmine cat was making weird noises. Like it was trying to say that get these kittens out of here right now. The Jasmine cat always likes to live alone. Whenever we talk about getting the Jasmine cat adopted, most of the viewers say that the Jasmine cat is also a part of your family. Please do not get it adopted. Kindly give us your suggestion that what should we do with the Jasmine cat. The Jasmine cat kept on bearing these kittens for some time and then got up and left in anger. After the Jasmine cat went away, the Luna cat happened to come here. It was very delighted to see the little kittens. The Luna cat started loving the kittens. It was loving them like they were its own kittens. The Luna cat is a very lovely cat. It also loves the elder kittens, that's why they keep playing around here and there. It always welcomes the new cats and kittens. It adjusts very well with all the other cats and kittens. The mother of the kittens was looking at this scene from a distance. The cat was looking a little angry. It might have thought that the Luna cat would adopt its kittens. It went to the cage and took its kittens with it. The cat has finally shown trust in us. It is now looking very comfortable in this environment. The cat started feeding its kittens here. We were relieved to see that it has finally started feeding its kittens. You can see that how cute they are. The kittens are enjoying the milk of the mother cat. Before this, we had to feed the kittens by ourselves. We have not given any names to these kittens yet. These kittens must have the names that are as cute as they are. We would like you guys to suggest us the names of these kittens. Maybe it was thinking that we would harm it and its kittens. Maybe it was thinking that we would harm it and its kittens. It still does not feed its kittens openly. It also does not allow any cats or kittens to come near it. That's why we have given it a separate cage. Our real work is only doing street feeding. But when we find some helpless cat or kittens, then we take them home with us.